Excuse me, what do you want?
I'm pregnant.
You are what?
I said I'm pregnant.
But if you are pregnant, you're supposed to go to the hospital or like tell your husband or your boyfriend that you are pregnant. Me, I'm just your tenant, keke. Open your heart, say you are pregnant. I don't understand.
Ah? Me, your mommy, and my boyfriend, and now I am there. What is funny?
You are funny. I said, maybe I'm a tenant.
And you know me die.
Me.
You are responsible for the pregnancy. What do you
mean I'm the responsible for your pregnancy? How come? That I know that.
Sylvia,
like,
have you forgotten so soon? When you were moaning and groaning.
Oh. So that was your plan, eh? You brought that jollof or fried rice or something the last time, and then you dragged me. You dragged me, and then I ate that food, and I wake up on the bed. And then I was used. Heavily used. So that was your plan.
When are you used? Now you sue me. What? And now you sue me. May you now damn person. I know that. Find something better to tell me.
I can't remember anything. And for your information, I don't like you. I don't even love you.
Huh?
This your behavior, this your character. I don't even like it. Okay? You are so toxic. I don't like you. I like your sister.
There be now things I won't pay me now. Now pen. I don't know. I was doing a whole lot for you. I don't know why I'm stopping me now.
It was your own choice. I tried to stop you. You never stop. I tried to warn you. You never listen. I tried to stop you for coming here. You keep on coming. I tried to stop you from cooking. You keep on cooking. I tried to stop you for getting close to me. And you keep on touching me. So this is the result. This is what you get after ignoring my warnings. This is the result. Please. I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. You have a boyfriend. Your boyfriend Nicholas and stuff. Look, I can't deal with it.
What? Me, I have a what are you saying? So where do you want me to go with this pregnancy? And how could you sleep with me and my sister? How could you?
Your sister is carrying my baby. Okay?
Yeah,
so
this is shameful. You slept with me and my sister. This is shameful.
You dragged me.
I didn't drag you. You used me.
And
you still slept with me. You have slept with two sisters at the same time.
I was dragged. I don't know.
And you're myself. And you're myself.
Look, get out.
I won't get out. Listen, I will get. And if you don't know, you lay your hands on me. That's another charge. What do you mean I should go and find the father of my father? Are you not the one who slept with me? How can you sleep with me and my sister?
Do you know?
It's
okay, go. I will marry both of you. Go. I will set up the date then. Inform me. Go. I will come to talk to your mom. It's okay. Go.
I
said go to your mom. Stop talking plenty and go to your mom.
You are a man. You have to take full responsibility of all your consequences. What are you talking about?
Because
I don't care whether you have slept with my sister or not. What are you saying?
Yeah, this is all you people want, and then you people have succeeded. You, your mother, your elder sister, you people. I don't know.
Yes. So
I'm saying that I don't have money. Don't people be deceived that I have money. I don't have money.
I don't care whether you slept with me or my sister. You will end up marrying both of us, and that's a must. What do you mean by you have impregnated my sister?
So don't worry.
You don't like my boyfriend. What boyfriend? Listen, I didn't change this in the name.
I will inform. I have to invite my friends on Facebook.
You have to come and pay my bride price. Do you think?
Don't worry, I will. Okay. You know, I have a lot of followers and subscribers on YouTube. I have to inform them that I've got somebody pregnant and then they need to be at the wedding. So I have to invite them all. So you don't worry, just go. I'll fix the date. I'll talk to my fans and fix the date and tell you.
Okay.